Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to log a phone call in HubSpot CRM. So once you log into HubSpot CRM, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to log a phone call, we can do this for any record inside of HubSpot, so we can do it for contacts, companies, deals, etc. I'm going to show you how to do it for contacts quickly. So we'll go up to the contacts tab up the top left hand corner, use the drop down menu and then go to contacts. Now, once we get to contacts, we need to go to the contact that we'd like to log a phone call for. So I'm going to use our friend Brian here. I'm going to press on to Brian and I'll head over to his record form. And then as you can see here, we have a number of different options. But to log a phone call, we need to press the log button. Press that and then go and press log a call. Now you get the pop-up tab up down the bottom here, and then we need to fill in the relevant information. A lot of it will be filled in for us, so as we can see it tells us who we've contacted because we've done that on his particular record. We can also select an outcome of the phone call and we have a number of different options: busy, connected, live message, voicemail, no answer, wrong number. We can also set the date and time of the phone call. So this is set it to the time that I've just created this. However, if you'd had a phone call with him yesterday, for example, and you'd only got around to putting it on the system now, you can just hover over, set the date and then the time as well. We can also describe the call. This is obviously very important. So I'm just going to select a call outcome as connected. Describe the call as, I don't know, give pieces of information relevant to the call. It'd be good to have business processes in place that ensure that you're tracking all the relevant information and is easily understandable by everyone inside the business. I'm just going to put test call as our example today. We can also do bold, italic, a few more options like font size. We can add links, images. We can also add snippets, which I've done another video on. We can add a knowledge article as well and attachments. We've also got our two associations here, and if you press this button we can see what our associations are. So obviously Brian is our association as he's a contact, and then the company, Brian works for HubSpot, so we know that the company is associated to Brian, which is associated to the phone call. So you can see our relationships working there. And then we can also create a task to follow up if we so wish. So let's say our call outcome was no answer. We can create a task to follow up in 3 business days, and it will literally remind us to give Brian a phone call in 3 days time. And if we press on that, we can change it to 2 business days today, tomorrow, or a custom date as we so wish. Once we've filled in all the relevant information, just press log activity, and then that phone call will have been logged will have been logged onto Brian's record. And that is how to log a phone call in HubSpot CRM. I hope this video has clearly explained how to log a phone call in HubSpot CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.